Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, let's see how to download, install and configure PostgreSQL with pgadmin. First thing first, go to your browser and type PostgreSQL. I will attach the link in the description box, so no hassle for you. Click the first link in the web search. Now we are in the Postgres official site. As this video is for Windows download, I'm gonna select Windows icon. Feel free to download the version that suits your OS. As you can see, these are some of the versions. Click on download the installer. When you click on download the installer, you can see all the versions that are available for PostgreSQL. You can go with any PostgreSQL version like 16.4, 15.8, I'm gonna go with 17.0 latest version for Windows. When you click on that download icon, it will automatically start downloading. Open the file after it's download. And you can see a prompt like this. Click on next, and in here, it asks about the installation directory. Give it as C, or if you want, you can change by clicking the folder ID. Keep it as it is and click on next. Choose the data directory. I suggest you to keep it as it is and click on next. Then in here you have to give a password and you have to remember that password as well. That password help you to open your PostgreSQL. It means the pgadmin in the first time. Type. Click on next. So this is the port number. Click on next. So I suggest you to keep it as it is and click on next. And here it will show what will be installed, like the command line tool installation, pgadmin installation, stack builder and database services. Click on next, click on next. So now the installation process will start. Now the installation process is started. After it's completely installed, you can see this setup wizard. Click on the blue stack if it's not clicked and click on finish. In here you have to select Postgres 17. Click on next and it will download the application list. So this category is more like additional drivers, and you can select a driver if you need and click on next. Go to the start icon in the Windows and search for P, or you can go like me. Click on Postgres 17 pgadmin. Okay, so this is the dashboard of pgadmin 4. Now I'll show you how to make your first database. As I said before, you have to enter the password you have given when installing. And click OK and make sure to save it as well. I'll show you how to create your first database as well. Click on create database and give a name for your database. I'm gonna go with new database. And click on save. Under the schema, this is where the tables and schema will be available. If you want to create a table, right click on tables and create. If you find this video knowledgeable, make sure to share it. Thanks. See you in the next one.